you today? Let's cook lunch. So I have today I have Massaman curry, okay? For Massaman curry, so with tofu, okay? First, I'm going to have this one, the onion, the ingredient, right? The onion, the big onion, but I use only half, okay? And then I'm going to cut this one to be like half, or not half, like be like this shape, right? Okay. So I cut. Okay. So I keep it this one. So next one is this, what do you call? Potato, right? Potato. Okay, now I'm going to peel it off. So I make it, I chop it here. Let's see. Okay. I chop it like, let's see. Yes. So you go. You don't want to make it too small, okay? So you make it like this, like a nice shape. Yes. This is tofu again. Let's see, tofu. My protein, okay? I have already tofu. So I'm going to chop the tofu. Yes. I'm not a fan of the meat or anything, so I just eat more like tofu thing, more vegetarian thing, vegetable. Okay, this is peanut. This is already cooked, right? And then you have like, let's see, this one, cinnamon, okay? So you can put it cinnamon. Some people don't put it, but I just try to be like nice smell, so I put cinnamon. But before you put cinnamon, you know, you're going to be like grill it first and make the grill. Now coconut, again, coconut milk, so 250 ml, same, okay? Check first, okay? Now 1 glass of water, okay? 1 glass of water. Now I have this one is chili paste. Oh, this smell already, the cinnamon. Okay, I burn it them a little bit, okay? It makes more smell. So I have a coconut from yesterday. This is a half of coconut, okay? So I put coconut in this one. Yes, like let's say half glass of water, okay? Half glass of water. You put this one, right? And now you're going to put the chili, tablespoon, not teaspoon, tablespoon. See how the color of is already, right? The red already. So this one, yeah, you can cook from here. So you see, going to be nice, right? Texture. So now this one is kind of the Massaman curry. You want to be more dense, I mean thick. You don't want to put many water in here, and you want to make more like oily, and then come the color, come the red. See, like that. This is, you want to be like this in the picture, right? So I'm going to put more palm here, so make it smell nice now, smell so good now. Okay, now I leave it for a few minutes. Then I think I'm going to put this one, the cinnamon, right? The cinnamon. I put maybe, yes. I put cinnamon in there. so nice. This one, that's what I said. This one you can make like a satay or something you can eat, you know, like steak sauce, like a peanut sauce. Let's say peanut sauce. Yes. So same. Now I'm going to put more coconut in here. Yes. Now I already put half coconut in there. Leave it here first. Okay. I put a cinnamon over there already. Yes. Nice, right? Okay. Yes. And then you want to do is this time you want to cook with how to say. This time you want to cook. It's not enough. I just need more coconut. This time you want to put chicken, right? But I don't have a chicken. So I'm going to put more. So another half, okay, half glass. Half coconut, I mean. So total you use one coconut, 250 ml. Okay, so you do this. Yes, depend if you eat too much, that you can put more water, like let's say like half glass. Okay. Yes. So and then you don't going to be more soak of all the thing. So now I'm going to put this how say tofu, right? I put the tofu in there. See how look good already. So now I put tofu in there, and then this is I to put potato, right? What do you call potato? In here. Yes. See how it's. Yes, that one. I think I have too much potato rice, but I like it, so yes. Okay, now I'm going to put the onion on. Yes. While you're waiting, you put this one peanut, right? You put a peanut. Yes. You like peanut, you put more. I love peanut, so I put more. Okay, I love it. Now we're waiting for the food. Smell good now. So I taste. Wow. But one thing, I don't put this yet. See? I don't put the mushroom powder yet. The mushroom powder is like, let's say half or 1 teaspoon, because this one is more like, I put this 1 teaspoon in here. Okay. Then we see. Wow, smell good. So yeah, that is easy. So now we're going to wait for maybe another, let's say a few minutes, let's say 5 minutes, and then see how it look like. Okay, I'm going to taste again, see how it's the taste. So this is my spoon again. Let's see. Oh guys, oh my god, So yummy. Mm. Wow, you should try. You should come. So also I do the yoga retreat, I do yoga retreat, and then sometimes I cook for the student. And the next time, I think after the COVID thing, I will do the yoga and cooking class. Okay, cooking and yoga together. So you can join us. You can join me later. So we can check in my website. Yes. Now I'm going to put in this and see how it look like. Okay. Let's see. I take this one down. I'm going to put this one. Yes, because I have two, so I don't want to. Wow, look good. So I put here. Ready to be served. Okay, but guys, I don't want to put a lot because I don't think I can finish them. Okay, and then I have the cinnamon here. Okay, one cinnamon on top of here. Come up. This one my curry, Massaman curry tofu, Massaman tofu. Okay, with how to say, peanut also in there. Can you see it? Right? Look good. Okay. Smells so nice. Wow. See? Oh my god. Success, guys. Okay, I'm going to eat my meal now. So hungry. And then see, stay safe, be healthy, happy. I see you next. Have a good day. Bye. Mm. Mm. Ooh.